Unlock the power of read-aloud features. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting tool that's transforming the way we interact with digital content, the Read-Aloud feature. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone learning English, understanding and using this feature can significantly enhance your learning experience. Let's explore how. The Read-Aloud feature is a technology found in many digital devices and applications, like smartphones, tablets, e-readers, and computers. It allows text on the screen to be converted into spoken words, enabling the content to be heard rather than read. This tool is particularly helpful for those learning a new language, individuals with reading difficulties, or anyone who prefers listening to content. Using the Read-Aloud feature offers several key benefits. Improves comprehension. Hearing text read aloud can help with understanding complex language structures and new vocabulary. Enhances pronunciation. For English language learners, listening to the pronunciation of words is invaluable. Accessibility. It makes digital content more accessible to people with visual impairments or reading disorders like dyslexia. Multitasking. Enables you to listen to content while doing other tasks, improving productivity. Activating the Read-Aloud feature varies depending on the device or application. Here's a general guide. 1. Look for an audio icon or a menu option labeled Read Aloud, Text-to-Speech, or something similar. 2. Select the text you want to be read aloud if necessary. In some apps, the feature reads everything from top to bottom. 3. Customize settings such as speed and voice type according to your preference, if available. To get the most out of the Read-Aloud feature, consider the following tips. Use headphones for a clearer and more private listening experience. Follow along with the text as it's read aloud to improve your reading skills alongside listening skills. Experiment with different voices and speeds to find what works best for you. The Read-Aloud feature is a powerful tool that can significantly benefit English language learners and anyone looking to improve their interaction with digital content. By understanding and utilizing this feature, you can enhance your learning, improve your pronunciation, and make digital content more accessible. We hope this video helps you unlock the full potential of Read-Aloud technology. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.